In today's energy markets, let's take a look at WTI crude futures as they're finding some higher price levels today. Crude futures recovering from selling pressure yesterday to trade higher today, and with today's levels right around 61.50, which is up about 2.5% on the day, we are actually just slightly down week over week after a pretty volatile week. We are experiencing some higher price levels here to close out the week, and coming off those intra-week lows, which corresponded with the lowest levels in over 4 years, but higher levels today. And we look at the driving factors, it appears that some of the tensions surrounding the global trade issues appear to be lessening to some degree. As we close out this week, there appears to be some positive steps unfolding here, and potentially that will roll into next week as the markets continue to evaluate those dynamics. Couple that with data this morning that was overall, from an inflation standpoint, at least short-term data was positive. There's still concerns about long-term inflation, but nonetheless, the data this morning and from an inflation front was strong, but we did get some consumer sentiment data that was very weak. So really, it appears that the overriding theme continues to be the trade tensions, and that's what's influencing the pricing structure once again today. Now, looking at the general trends, WTI is coming off that intra-week low, right around 55.12 was the intra-week low, to trade higher here throughout the second half of the week, and now holding on to a gain for the second day in the last 3 days. And currently priced, as I pointed out, just below where we started the week, so back above $60 on WTI. And so some renewed strength here to close out the week and some higher price levels, holding on to the top end of the range for today's price action as well.